In this video tutorial, we will show you how to set up your pipeline for Salesforce to BigQuery using Striim's Flow Designer templates. Through this process, we will show you how to use Striim to create both an initial load application and an incremental batch application to continue to move your data over to BigQuery as it's updated in Salesforce. First, we will set up your initial load application to get all of your data moved over to BigQuery. To get started, we will go to the Create App page in Striim. You can search for the correct source, in this case Salesforce, and target BigQuery. Select the appropriate template in Striim's Flow Designer, name your application and click Save. Configuring your source requires your API endpoint, mode, and schema selection preferences. You can use an authentication token or the username and password for your application. Now you will connect to BigQuery. Enter the project ID, service account key, and the objects you want to connect. Under Advanced Settings, enter your batch policy and other details as necessary. Once you have set your preferences and reviewed your source and target, we will deploy your application. Click the eye icon to preview the data stream, and then select Start App and watch as the initial load is completed in real time. In BigQuery, we will double-check that all events were written by running a query. Now that you have completed the initial load from Salesforce to BigQuery, we will create an incremental batch application. You will need to follow many of the same steps you did for your initial load application. You can change the application type to Incremental Batch directly in your Striim application. Verify the rest of the setup looks accurate. Now you will deploy and start your application, clicking the eye icon so that you can preview your data stream while it's running. We will simulate events being inserted, updated, and deleted into the source to show that the application is moving events over to BigQuery in an incremental batch. Through this sequence, you will see us insert, update, and delete records in Salesforce and show you as those events flow through Striim and into BigQuery. In this video, you have seen an initial load and incremental batch application for a Salesforce to BigQuery pipeline created and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.